Now, vlogging is not always just about talking about camera gear, talking into a camera, trying to figure stuff out. Sometimes it's just about getting out and experiencing life. Like today, I took my grandson and my granddaughter to a little Easter egg hunt, and it was an amazing time. Abby, right here. Hi. What are you doing, baby? Hey, Finn. What are you doing? And one of the things that we did today whenever I went out was actually use the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, which I am filming on right now, and the GO Ultra. And I wanted to try unique perspective the GO Ultra on my grandson by putting the little pendant right here on his shirt and putting this little dude right here on him to catch some really good footage. Now I'm actually going to show you the footage that I caught from the Ace Pro 2 of him collecting those eggs, but then I want you to watch the footage from this. It is hilarious. He got so worked up trying to hunt those eggs, and you can hear him going, hurry, 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 hurry. It was a really good example of a way to use this small camera, not just for vlogging, but for capturing everyday life. So here we are right now, annual Easter egg hunt. We're out in New Braunfels, Texas. I've got my grandson out, and he's about to go hunt some eggs, but he's got the GO Ultra mounted to his chest, so that's going to be fun. So there we go. There you go. There you go. Come on. Look, there's more. There we go. Yay! Get him, man. Look, pick up the eggs.
Get that blue one. Look, this one. Here, get that one. Go get those. Hurry.
Hurry.
There we go. There you go.
Look.
Here we go. Yay. Go. Let's go. And we had a simple setup today. It was simply the Ace Pro 2 stuck on a Ulanzi mantis pod. I'll have everything linked below. And I was using the close-up lens that you can purchase separately for the Ace Pro 2 that you can adjust for super close-up or for more like where I'm sitting right now. But it will also do really good for larger areas. I've actually enjoyed using this particular lens for capturing everyday life. This lens pretty much stays on my Ace Pro 2. Yes, I see that. There he is. That's a train way over there going. Do you see the train? What does the train say? Choo choo. But you see what's going on. What does the train say again? Choo choo. That's right. Now, as far as my settings, I was shooting in auto white balance. So that was always done. My ISO was set in auto, but I was shooting in the L-Log function, which is 8-bit on the Ace Pro 2. It's only 2 bits different than the 10-bit log D-Log that is on the DJI devices. I shot it in both of these devices, L-Log. And the footage, I have to say I actually like it. It's really nice. It does an amazing job with it. And so essentially, this is life. Vlogging is not necessarily all about just sitting there talking to a camera, teaching people something. It's showing you a part of my life and hoping that you get a little bit of enjoyment out of it. Is that the bunny? There we go. Look at that. There we go. Smile. Wave. All right, so we're going to wrap this video up for today, and I hope you enjoyed this. And if you like what you saw, go ahead and drop me a subscribe, a like, a comment. Heck, you know what? In the comment section, drop me a comment. Tell me what camera rig you are using right now, whether it is DJI, Insta360, or Sony, Canon, whatever it is. I want to know what it is you're shooting your everyday life on. And I will have links to this camera as well as the Ace Pro 2 in the description because right now Insta360 is doing their spring glow up sales. Some of these are 25 and 30% off. So there you go, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Get it up there. Throw it. Okay, there you go. Do you have an egg? Look at that egg. Abby, did you get a rabbit? Hey, did you get a rabbit? Did you get a rabbit? Hey.